Hello. So today I will be creating this picture as you see here. Alright, let's get started. First we need a blank piece of paper. This can be any size. I am using a normal piece of printer paper divided into fourths. Alright, first we need to do this. Create a circle. Alright, next what we need to do is, that you see over here, we need to create the centerpiece. So I am going to pick a point right over here and create sort of an arch, and then I'm using a pencil so I can always erase, and pick another point at the other end and create the other arch. So at each of these points we'll be creating a circle. Now these are small circles, so I'm not using a compass, but if you want to, you can. Alright, we're in the yin yang that we're creating, one part is white and one part is black. So let's work on the white part, which is this side. So for this part, inside this circle, we have another circle. And inside that, we have another circle. And inside that, we have a dot. So for this circle, we will be doing like this. Like a sun aura kind of thing. You know what I mean? And on the outer layer, we will be doing these type of stuff. Like a not exactly a line, but like an arch. And we'll be using a lot of arches in this section. Alright, and for each of these things, we will be shading one black, and the next one white, and then this one black, and then white, and then black, and then white and black. And then for this one we have one extra, so I'm dividing this in half, and then I'm doing this. So now this is perfect. Next, we will be working on this circle. So for this circle, we have one aura around it. Should be making the aura larger. Alright, and for the aura, we'll be doing something similar to this, almost like a spearhead, a curved spearhead. And then like a leaf thing, you flick it outward, these stuff. And then each of them are connected, as you see here. And then flick outward. And you do that through the whole thing. Alright, and for each of these, on the edges, we have a triangle. Like this. Alright, so next we will be working on the outside part. This part you see here on the outer part of the circle. Actually, first we should do the subdivisions. So over here we have one. Over here we have another, like this. These is like an arch, and this is something similar. I don't even know what this is called. And like that. Should probably wait for this and do it up here. Alright. So for this part, we will be creating lines like these. Arches or bushes, like you could say. All around. Alright, and for each of these bushes, you'll be painting one black, one white, and then every other one you'll be painting black. Painting or coloring in. And now you see one of these, I have one extra. And so what I will be doing is like one, I'll be painting one bigger. So now it's perfect. Alright. And now on here, on each of the black ones, we have, on each of the white ones, we have this. This thing. Like a love sign, you could say. On each of the white ones. Oops. Alright, so I'll be skipping some of these. Alright, next, on each of these ones, we'll be having, on each of the black ones, we'll be having these. Something like, I'll be doing it on this one to show you. Something like this. And then on each of these, we'll have another one inside. And this. We'll be doing these. Alright. This one's big, so I'll show you. Sorry, excuse me. Anyway, we'll be painting it like this. And we'll be doing that for all of the black ones. So now for the rest of the white ones, we'll be connecting. Wait, I'm not done yet. Whoops. Alright. So next for these ones, we will be doing something like this. Like it's just like a rooftop, you could say. Alright, so we'll be doing that for all of these. Alright, so we are done for this part. Next, I will be doing the part right above that, this one. So for this part, we'll be doing one line in the middle. And on each of that, we'll be placing these. And it can be anywhere, any size, roughly this shape. But just on this line all across. Alright, next under these, we have the same thing except we don't color these in. And on the bottom of every one of these, there's like a little dot. Alright, so we are done with this part. Next, we will be doing this part. So for this, you will create one like an arch almost, except it's not. So for one of these, you will be doing, so you notice here we're doing leaf patterns. For this one, it's a continuous leaf pattern. All across, you create an imaginary arch like this, and then another one like here. And then another one right here. Next, inside of these or outside of them, you each have an aura. They each have an aura outside. Next, on each of the on the outside, you create bubbles to some extent. Now these bubbles will take a long time, so I recommend you pause the video. And for each of these bubbles, the space that you can't fill in, you will color in. And even inside of here, you will have some. And now you see I'm doing it in pencil, but you can also do it in pen or any color you want. Pen would be better so you can see it more clearly. If you want to see it more clearly, then pen would be better. Pencil is if you're someone who makes mistakes, then pencil is easier because you can always erase it. And you can always use color pencils to make it more creative and decorative. Alright, so I finished this. Next we're going to go to the final piece, which is this part. So for this part, we will be using some of the, for example, we'll be creating like a semi-arch, like this. And then for each of these, we'll be using like this. And then we have another piece right here. And then you have another part circle over here. And then for each of inside this part circle, we have another part circle. And then around that, you will be creating lines. Same thing for this part. And next, for these, you create arches. And for this part, you create diagonal lines like this. And for the outside, you will be creating random lines. Alright, well that would be it. Don't forget to write your initials or your signature. And that should be it for today. Thank you. Bye.